Hello everyone and welcome back to the Circle Military Frequency. Drones are unmanned aircraft, meaning they have no crew or passengers. They are operated remotely, either via radio transmitter or Wi-Fi.
It's like way better, right? Yeah.
Drones, which were developed by the United States and Britain during World War I, became a vital aspect of military action in Vietnam, particularly for reconnaissance purposes. That utilization continues to be controversial. Drones have frequently been employed as spies in the sky, keeping an eye on the ground below. However, proponents of this technology claim drones are important to follow the actions of terrorist organizations in faraway regions and, in some situations, take out opponents from a safe distance. This strange-looking drone is one of the most critical in the U.S. military. It's the world's first aircraft carrier-based unmanned aircraft. As seen here on the deck of the USS George H.W. Bush, the Boeing MiG-25 has been termed a stingray in the sky for its dark gray color and flat profile. After receiving a more than $800 million deal, Boeing announced that 4 MQ-25s would be constructed by 2024. They will be mostly utilized for airborne refueling. Refueling and MIRAL greatly enhance the distance Navy jets can travel. The Navy's goal is for the aircraft to be able to supply 15,000 pounds of fuel to 4 to 6 jets with a range of 500 miles. During this test over the farms of Illinois in June 2021, the MQ-25 demonstrated its ability to refuel in flight for the first time. When the refueling is accomplished, the hose retracts to the drone, and both aircraft safely land. According to the Navy program manager, this successful test proves that an unmanned aircraft may free up Navy attack fighters from tanker duty and offer the carrier air wing with greater range flexibility and capabilities. Other countries are also tapping into drone capabilities. The Royal Australian Air Force develops this drone, named the MiG-28 Ghostbat, in conjunction with Boeing. It's called after the ghostbat, a native Australian mammal known for hunting in groups. Developers claim the term symbolizes the unique properties of the aircraft sensors and intelligent surveillance and reconnaissance capability. European nations are driving the development of this drone called the Neuron. The invention of the Neuron was a cooperation effort between France, Italy, and Sweden, Spain, Greece, and Switzerland. The purpose of the Neuron initiative was to get these allied nations up to speed on the latest unmanned aircraft technology. It is also capable of being deployed on military missions, but according to the program's website, the Neuron's main objective is to give European aircraft design offices with a project that will increase its technological capabilities and expertise in the area of unmanned aircraft. The Neuron weighs 5 tons and is 32 feet long. It has a wingspan of 41 feet. The Neuron made its first flight on December 1, 2012 in France, powered by a Rolls-Royce turboprop mecha door engine. Flight experiments in France to evaluate its stealth properties were successfully completed 2.5 years later, in March 2015. Those experiments were followed by sensor evaluation trials in Italy. The final flight trials took place in Sweden and included live fire demonstrations. The Neuron project was not only a technological but also a diplomatic one. This drone provides proof that it's possible for numerous countries to work together to design and manage strong new technologies. The collective effort behind the Neuron is also a type of insurance for the nations concerned. Each knows that they can count on the leaders of the others to collaborate and defend one another in future confrontations. Drones are undoubtedly a new superpower in military technology. This autonomous aircraft conserves energy, time, and people, and at battle, it saves lives. Aerial drones have become commonly utilized in surveillance and reconnaissance missions and can effortlessly watch any individual in the world from a safe distance. That's the end of this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Make sure to subscribe to this channel so you don't miss any of our new content. See you later.